In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Outlook QR code 5 minutes. If you want a quick way to set up Outlook on your phone without typing passwords, the built-in QR code is the fastest route. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it on the Outlook website and how to scan it safely so your mobile app connects to your account in a few taps. Start by opening your favorite web browser and going to the Outlook sign-in page. Use the web version of Outlook so the menus match what you'll see here. Sign into the account you want on your phone and wait for your inbox to fully load. It's best to do this on a desktop or laptop so the help panel and QR code display clearly on your screen. Once you're in your mailbox, look toward the upper right corner of the page for the help icon. It usually looks like a small question mark. Click it to open the help panel on the right side. If your window is very narrow, maximize it so the panel shows all available options. In the help panel, select Outlook Mobile. This option is designed specifically to guide you through getting the Outlook app on your phone and connecting it to your account. Clicking it will immediately bring up a QR code on your screen. Keep this page open. The code stays active while the page is displayed. Now it's time to scan the QR code. Take your phone and open the built-in camera app, then point it steadily at the code on your computer screen. Most modern iPhone and Android cameras will recognize the code automatically and show a link. Tap that link to continue. If your phone doesn't pick it up, enable your device's QR scanning feature or use your phone's QR scanner tool. When the link opens, you will be guided to the Outlook mobile app download or a streamlined sign-in flow that securely pairs your account without extra typing. A couple of quick tips for a smooth scan: brighten your computer display, avoid glare on the screen, and hold your phone about 6 to 12 inches away until the code focuses. If you still don't see the Outlook mobile option in Help, your organization may have disabled it. In that case, check with your IT admin. And as a security reminder, only scan the QR code on your own device and don't share a screenshot of it with anyone. That's all there is to it. Go to Outlook, open Help, choose Outlook Mobile, and scan the QR code. You'll be up and running on your phone in no time.